Welcome to Bolster, the all-in-one software for contractors. In this Getting Started video, we'll show you around the platform, teach you how to build a proposal, and highlight some of the key automated project management tools. We are currently in the onboarding dashboard, your home screen, where you can access key tools and learn how to get started using the platform. You can also access these tools using the navigation menu on the left. All your company-wide tools can be found here, sorted by category. In the Essentials section, you'll find your pipeline, your default home screen, and where you can see the status of all of your current projects. The Insights tab is a dashboard of key metrics to measure business health, and you can find all the files you've uploaded in Bolster Drive. You can also access Bolster Academy from this section, a library of support articles containing answers to questions across the entire platform. The Sales section contains all your marketing tools, all the leads generated from those tools, and a list of all your saved estimates. The Project Management section is a quick way to access all your clients and projects, gives a view of your schedule for all of the projects at once, and allows you to manage settings for your subcontractors and suppliers. If you have been onboarded for our suite of financial services, you'll be able to track your payments, transactions in and out of your business account, and invoices here. Next, the Estimating section contains tools to help manage your master estimation settings. Manage pricing for your entire item and assembly library, input master labor rates, and create custom dimensions to use in your estimates, avoiding repetitive work. The Reports tab allows you to pull detailed reports about anything in your account. Team Management is where you can manage users, groups, roles, and vendors, and the Integrations section is a place to manage all third-party software connections with Bolster, such as QuickBooks. The Admin section contains your company settings. Make sure to update these, as some information entered here will appear in your Bolster presentations. The Import tools for clients, items, and vendors allow you to perform a mass import from a spreadsheet, saving you inputting each of these manually. Finally, channels for each new project will be automatically created and appear in the Messages section, where you can message your team or clients. To create an estimate, head back to the pipeline. Click the Create New button in the top right corner of the screen, and then the New Estimate button. Click the New Client option and enter the email address or mobile phone number you would like to send the estimate to. You can enter some additional information or click Start Building to continue. This will automatically create a new client with the given information and also create a message channel for your internal team and the client for all future communication. When building estimates, you will be given the option to learn from a tutorial, start from scratch, or start by using one of your pre-existing templates or assemblies. We will be starting from scratch, but you may want to use the tutorial to get an overview of the basics when trying this yourself. From the spreadsheet estimating view, adding items is as simple as typing its name. You can then input the unit price, dimension or quantity, and profit markup. If you don't see the options you're looking for as shown here, they may be hidden by the tabs above, which you can click on to show and hide. In Bolster, individual line items can be grouped together. These are called Assemblies, which can be saved and reused for future estimates. Assemblies can be nested, meaning you can have assemblies within assemblies for more complicated build-outs. Any costs, profit, and item selections are also saved within assemblies, saving you time when estimating similar types of projects. If you've purchased AutoCost, you will also gain access to Bolster's library of live, region-specific pricing for materials and labor. Building with AutoCost items and assemblies ensure that you maintain profit on any price changes from item suppliers and allow you to check stock levels for these items at your local stores. To make an item optional, add upgrades to it, or turn it into a selection, click the icon next to the item name, and then open the Sales section to manage the selection properties. Doing this gives your customers a point of sale experience in your proposals and allows them to upsell themselves on selections designed by you. The Takeoff tab in the Estimate sidebar on the left is where you can input all required dimensions for your project. Dimensions can be linked to one another, or contain custom formulas saving you time by automatically updating item or assembly pricing and project totals. Next, the Selections tab is a quick way to see a summary of the optional items, upgrades, and selections your customer has made to the estimate and the corresponding prices. Once you've finished estimating, head to the Preview tab to view your automatically generated presentation. Be sure to use the presentation editor to add your logo, background image, and other settings before clicking the Review and Send button to send your estimate to the customer. You'll find Bolster's project management tools in the Production section of the Estimate sidebar. The Budget tab allows you to keep track of any cost variances when purchasing materials. Your entire material list can be found in the Materials tab, which includes your materials to purchase, along with vendors and materials provided by subcontractors. After your job has been booked and begun work, the Progress tab is a good place to track which parts of the job are in progress, completed, and ready to be sent for payment by the customer. Change orders and revisions are automatically created when scope or price changes are made to the project, avoiding you having to make any changes manually. Your job schedule is automatically created from your estimate and can be broken down by line item. To edit, simply drag items around, or drag the edges of a stage or item to adjust duration. You can also assign tasks to users in your team or subcontractors via email. Finally, any invoices you send are added to the Invoices tab to keep track of all payments made on the current job. If you get stuck while estimating, the Help Me button has in-app tutorials that will guide you through key steps. For more detailed articles, head to learn.bolsterbuilt.com to access the Bolster Academy, or reach out to the Bolster Help Desk for one-to-one assistance.